Okay, so now that we have Jules and we have Codex, I think we're pretty much set up to have the coding agent take care of everything. So we're gonna just pick the repos. We have the same repo on Blackbox as well, and we're gonna get started. We're gonna say I want you to change the database from we're gonna just change this database to now use KV. So we're gonna let it run on auto mode. We have it running here. This is the code. This is the same repo that we have. We have also this over here. We have to start with give me a plan first. Now on Codex, it's been running, and it's now on an unknown error that
It's
occurred.
running or crawling?
Yeah, this is
It's more crawl.
because it's in research preview. So it's now.
It's researching. It's searching where its research is.
Would you like to enable notifications? I'll let you know when a plan. No thanks. Even when you say no thanks, you get a notification if you want to see it.
Okay.
Even though we said no thanks.
No thanks, because
Block.
this is AGI.
AGI. So it's starting shortly. Now let's take a look and see. Blackbox is already in the works. All right. Let's confirm. Yes. Proceed. The user is not specific. I'm gonna tell it. Up to you. Okay. So now it's ongoing.
Do you feel the AGI?
So now it's still cloning over here. So we're in the cloning stages on Jules, and now it's reading some files. Okay. Now let's take a look. Here already the changes are starting to happen. So we're now already in the code changes right now. So we can launch them locally, or we can launch them also remotely over here. So you don't have to keep your laptop turned on. Now we have the plan. I'm gonna approve the plan. Okay. Change to KV. Please take a look and let me know what you think. Plan auto approves in 4 minutes. Okay. I did say approve. Okay. Define. Okay, this. Now let's take a look at Blackbox. So it's ongoing right here. So it's doing some installations that are required. And here it still didn't start. It's creating a new file. Okay, can we see the file? Define a generic interface. Get set delete. Okay, these are the files. Okay. So here we're installing the KV. It's gonna require some sudo here to run. Okay, implement the KV right here. Refactor database queries. Okay, so now it's almost done. Now that we've installed the KV, we need to change the environment variables, and then there's the next config. Okay, refactor database queries. Okay. Where are we now? Okay, it's here. Okay, now we have the types. Refactor. This will involve changing how the data is fetched and stored. Okay, it's pretty much smoothly going through it on Blackbox. Here it seems to be taking somewhat longer. Yeah. Yeah, so this is just like a brief
So
impression.
who's winning?
Like now it's like Blackbox has been, I think, now several steps ahead. This one is still
It's still crawling.
yeah, like working on
Working on it.
refactor database, modify this, and I can't see
I'm
it.
working on it.
Yeah. So even though there's a file here, you can't see what's happening inside this file. Okay. Is this the navigation? The 2 files so far. Blackbox is now down to 6 and continuing to make the changes. There's also a migration plan that got created also. We can take a look at this plan. Here's the migration plan that Blackbox created.
Let's go.
So it's executing on it, and
Chain migration.
yep. So it's about to finish. Now let's create a script to trigger the migration. There it is. So we have it running well. Let's close this. Is it still stuck? It seems to be stuck.
Is it stuck?
Yeah. So it's still at the conference maybe. It didn't.
It's still at I/O.
Yeah, maybe
And,
maybe there's traffic
and
in
Codex. It's still at.
the. Yeah, Codex is
It's still at Dev Day.
it's the
Build,
So,
baby, build.
yeah. So here
Plug, baby, plug.
we're seeing the migration.
Chain migration. Yeah, you know.
So Blackbox now gave the entire plan. We've successfully created the KV store configuration, implemented the core database, created migration script, added the environment, created comprehensive
But
documentation.
most importantly,
now-
importantly,
Yep.
of course,
And here it's still
it's still in the chain.
still stuck in
It's still crawling.
the IO.
It's still crawling.
Okay, so now
Yo, Jules. Okay, we're gonna
This
put
is
the
a,
song. Hey, Jules.
yeah, and
Yeah.
so
Jules, I think. What a shame.
so we can maybe take a chill.
Take a
Pill.
chill pill. Yeah.
Where's the
Google.
DJ?
What the fuck are you doing if you're not chilling? Chill out! Everyone chill! Take a chill pill! That's right, sir! Take a chill pill! I don't have time for your fucking stress! Chill out!
Yeah. So, in memory
Of the IO.
the IO. All right. So yeah, appreciate it. Peace.